Hi, in this video, we will see how to scrape emails and phone numbers from public Twitter profiles by just using this single tool. This tool allows you to gather phone numbers, email addresses, and other available details from public Twitter profiles without needing high-end hardware or a lot of manual work. By defining keywords and other simple settings, you can automate the data collection process to gather valuable contact information quickly and efficiently. The software is designed to run on almost any computer setup. Whether you have an i3 processor with 4 GB of RAM, this tool performs efficiently. Additionally, it doesn't require a license key, so you can download it once and use it across multiple systems without any restrictions. To download this software, please check the link provided in the video description. Once you download the software, you'll receive a zip file like this. Simply extract it and open the folder. You'll see that there are 6 files, which include the necessary browser drivers, a video tutorial to install the Chrome driver, and a documentation guide in case you need further instructions. For this demonstration, we'll focus on the main executable file, the .exe file. This .exe file doesn't require any installation or a license key. Just double-click and you can run it on as many systems as you need without any installation. When you open the software, a splash screen will appear briefly, and then you'll see an interface with options, starting with a keyword prompt. Here, you can click on Edit to define the specific keywords you want the scraper to focus on. Keywords help narrow down the search to find profiles that are most relevant to your needs. For example, if I'm looking for people from entertainment industry, I'll enter entertainment here. This will ensure that the software targets profiles containing this keyword. You can add more keywords if you want to broaden the search. And if you want to delete any added, simply select it and click Delete. Or you can clear all keywords at once. After setting up your keywords, you'll move on to phone country. Here, you can choose the country code for the phone numbers that the software should focus on. For example, I'll select the India here, but you can choose any available country that best suits your target audience. Next, it will ask for email types. Here, you'll see options for public emails, such as Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, etc. If you select public emails, the software will scrape these common free email types. On the other hand, if you're interested in business contacts, you can select custom domains, which will target emails with business-specific domains. This is especially useful if you want to gather more professional contact details. But generally, people use their free domain email accounts for their social media profiles, so I'm selecting here public emails in the website source section. The tool is set to scrape directly from Twitter's public search results. This ensures that the software will only focus on Twitter profiles based on the keywords you provided. Then, you'll need to specify the number of pages to start with and the number of pages to extract. The starting page option allows you to set which page the software should begin scraping from. For example, if you want to skip the first few pages, you can start from page 3. Or if you wanted to start the process from first page, then go with the default value, which is 1. The number of pages to extract defines how many pages of data you want to gather. For this video, I'll set it as 20 pages, but if you're looking for more data, you can increase this number. Next, you'll see the search engine location. This setting allows you to define the region for Google's search results, similar to setting a location filter in Google. For this demonstration, I'll choose India, but you can select any region that aligns with your target audience. Now, we'll configure the export to folder path. Here, you'll specify the location where the scraped data will be saved. For easy access, I'll set it to the desktop. Next, you'll need to name the file, which is helpful if you're running multiple scrapes with different keywords or settings. I'll go with the default name. You can also choose the export format. By default, it's set to Excel, which is easy to work with and widely compatible. If you prefer HTML, you can select it here, but Excel format is usually the most straightforward for managing large data sets. Finally, Configure the browser option. By default, Chrome is selected, but you can also choose Firefox if you prefer. If you're using Chrome, make sure to install the Chrome driver included in the zip file by following the video tutorial provided. Otherwise, you can go with Firefox. You just need to make sure browser has been installed in your PC, whatever browser you select. For this video, I'll go with Chrome because I have already installed driver for it. Once all settings are configured, you can click Next Step to review everything. If you need to make any changes, just click back to adjust any settings. When you're ready, click on the Start Process button. When prompted, click OK to disable all browser alerts so the process runs smoothly without interruptions. The scraping process has now started. And as you can see on the screen, it's fetching data in real time. This software works quickly, so we won't have to wait too long. The data has been scraped, and this time we gave a bigger number of 20 pages so we get more data as comparison to our previous videos. One thing to keep in mind, this tool only gathers data that's publicly available on Google from Twitter. This means if a user's email or phone number isn't public or isn't indexed, it won't be scraped. The software acts as an automated search engine bot, building search queries based on your inputs, so it can only collect what's openly accessible. That's how it works, and that's all for this video. If you want to try this tool, you'll find the download link in the video description. Thank you for your time.